Hey there, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It's time to head into Walgreens and check out all of the deals running this week. It's not a big week, it's the end of the month. The end of the month is never very big or very fun, but there are some things to grab. Super cheap toothbrushes at 74 cents a piece, 99-cent Poise pads, and stock up on All Detergent and Tide detergent. So we've got two detergent deals to stock up on this week in Walgreens. First off, a number of Tide products are all buy 3, get 1 free. Not super exciting because it's like 25% off, but we have coupons. So you need to mix and match here so that you can use the right number of coupons. Most of our P&G coupons do have limits on them. Your printable is a limit of 1, your insert is a limit of 1, but then you also have a Walgreens digital. So as long as you get 1 from each source, you're good. You want to use 3 $2 off coupons. You cannot use a coupon on the free product in Walgreens. So grab 4 of them, use 3 $2 off coupons. In the end, you're going to end up getting these for $2.24 a piece. Not a bad price. So Tide Pods, Tide Liquid, and Downy are all included in that sale. One other deal in the detergent aisle is on All Detergent, and they put a pole right in the way. So let's see if we can get down there. All Detergent, it's the really big bottles of All are on sale for $5.99. No rewards here, just a sale. And we've got a $2 off coupon. So this is the, I can't read that, 94-ounce bottle, $5.99. You've got a $2 coupon, so you're gonna pay $3.99 for a pretty massive bottle of All Detergent. Not a bad price at all, and you'll find a number in your store. So that's just a sale. You can kind of go to town. The coupon does have a limit on it, so pay attention to the limits and don't go overboard, but you could do this in multiple transactions if you wanted more than one. So All or Tide, just hang in the detergent aisle and grab some deals. No rewards needed for any of these deals, but the sweet part of that means if you've got some points, you can use your points. So if you want to pay with balance rewards, you'll pay even less to grab these deals this week. One deal this week in Walgreens, again, no rewards needed for this one either, is a stacking deal. So grab your Walgreens coupon book from the front of the store and head to the back area, and you'll find a $2 off coupon for Poise Active pads. Now, Poise Active pads are on sale for $5.99, and we also have a $3 off printable coupon. So grab your $3 printable, your $2 store, that's $5 off, and you're gonna end up paying 99 cents for it in the end. Not super exciting product, but it is something that a lot of folks need. So to get it for 99 cents, go to town and grab the deal. A tip, these Walgreens store coupons will actually come off multiple times. So if you wanted to grab more than one box and you had more than one $3 off coupon, you only need to scan this once and it will take the $2 off on each box that you grab. So save you some time and some grabbing of the Walgreens booklets thinking that you need more than one. You're done. So 99 cents through Saturday. We've got pretty cheap toothbrushes this week in Walgreens. So Colgate 360 toothbrushes are on sale for $2.99, and you get back a $3,000 reward, a 3,000 point reward when you purchase 2 of them. So $2.99 a piece, get back 3,000 balance rewards. We have coupons for these, so print 2 75-cent printable coupons. In the end, you're gonna get toothbrushes for 74 cents a piece after the printable coupon and the rewards back. So not to mention deals we've already mentioned in the past, you can actually go back and watch, and I'll put a link to it right here in the video. But this is your last week to grab your month-long deals. So all of the month-long deals are gonna switch over this coming Sunday in Walgreens. So one in particular, really good deal on Listerine products. You also have Scott paper towels, Scott toilet paper, and a few other good month-long deals. Bic razors, Schick razors, so check those out. Grab the deals that you want before Saturday night on the month-long deals, and then look for new month-long deals next week. So there you have it. It's a small week, not super crazy exciting. There are a couple deals that have also gotten folks excited. One is that they have their house brand Nice bottled water, buy one get one in all stores. It does make it a pretty good price. It's $1.79 for a 24 pack. So if you want to stock up, you can. I'm gonna tell you though, guys, we will see it cheaper. Bottled water gets super cheap during the summer. So $1.50, $1.25 is more the mark that I would be watching for, but you can go crazy and stock up on it if you want to. Another one to check, if your Walgreens sells them, is Blue Rhino propane tank refills. There is a $3 off Walgreens digital coupon for Blue Rhino propane refills, and there's a $3 rebate available directly from Blue Rhino. So that is $6 off. Most stores have them in the $18.99 range. So you're gonna end up getting a propane tank for $12.99, or the refill for one. Not a bad price. The store that I'm at is near college. I don't think we need kids doing any sort of things with propane tanks, so they don't sell them here. But hopefully your store will have them, and it's a good price for grilling out and all the summer activities that are coming. So again, a reminder, don't forget to grab your month-long deals along with these deals. They're all gonna end on Saturday, and then tune back next week for new monthly deals for June and all of the deals that we'll have for next week. Next week being the first week of the month is always a good week for deals. So thanks for joining me, guys, and make sure to subscribe to catch all of the future videos that we share.